Why should you sell digital products? Because they are more profitable than physical goods. Digital products generally have higher margins than physical products, making them a $3.5 billion industry. At the conclusion of this video, please leave a comment telling me which digital product you would consider utilizing for your business. 1. Online courses. Create and sell courses online to help businesses or individuals improve their skills. 2. Video tutorials. Create and sell video tutorials to teach people to do something, such as how to use a software program or mechanic tool. 3. Online membership sites. Create an online membership site where you offer exclusive content, discounts, and other benefits to members. 4. Ebooks. Write an ebook and sell it as a digital product. 5. Online business coaching. Offer online business coaching to help entrepreneurs learn the ins and outs of running a business. 6. Plugin development. Create plugins for websites to help them run better and/or improve their functionality. 7. Mobile apps. Develop apps for mobile devices to solve problems, create entertainment, or help people manage their lives. 8. Stock photography. Create and sell stock photographs to be used for various types of media projects. 9. Audiobooks. Create audiobooks to be sold as digital products. 10. Website templates. Create website templates and sell them to people who want to create their own websites. 11. Custom website development. Offer custom website development services to businesses that need a website but don't have the time or resources to create one. 12. Consultancy services. Offer consultancy services to help businesses with their digital products and services. 13. Online design services. Offer design services to help businesses create the digital products and services they need. 14. SEO services. Offer SEO services to help businesses improve their search engine rankings. Before I move on to the next 5 digital products, which I'm sure you are eager to hear about, please consider subscribing now if you are finding this video helpful and would like to see more like it. Please also remember to like and share this video. Most importantly, make sure to turn on the notification bell so you can be the first to know when I upload a new video. If you would like to start selling online, I recommend that you listen to my free ebook, Heavy Duty Online Selling. You can find the link in the description box below. 15. Online advertising services. Help businesses with their online advertising campaigns. 16. Branding services. Help businesses create and market their brand. 17. Copywriting services. Offer copywriting services to create content for websites and other digital products. 18. Logo design services. Help businesses create a unique logo for their digital product or service. 19. Social media management. Help businesses manage their social media accounts and create content to help them reach their target audience.